Well, it's been around, I've been a student for around 4 months. I think it's about 4 months. My mentor actually recommended Kline, Sway Barnett. He's my tattoo mentor, and he recommended I look at Kline. I'm a tattoo artist, so Kline definitely is helping me take the next step in tattooing. Um, I'm a black and gray realist artist, tattoo artist. I'm pushing the line in tattooing and going into portraiture now. It's helping me understand portraits a lot better. I've always been interested in art, but I didn't grow up doing art, and I kind of felt like it was one of those things where you either had it or you didn't, like you were born with it kind of vibes. I don't believe that anymore. I believe anybody can be taught. And it's a good question because before I came here to Klein, I didn't have a favorite artist. I didn't know much about painters or any even the legends or the classical guys. But Caravaggio, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Caravaggio is my favorite painter. I like the way he manipulates his light and shadow. I think it's called chiaroscuro or tenebrism, something like that. But the light and dark, the dramatics. But anyways, he's my favorite painter. You know what? All my aha moments, I have a lot of favorite moments because every single aha moment I have here is like, it's like a little breakthrough. It's like yeah, I kind of get like a new favorite moment every week, I guess. I was in Matt's class, first class, and I really like the way he teaches. I just get it. He's still one of my favorite instructors here. But now that I'm Cheryl's class, she's definitely my favorite. I guess that whole art form, being able to learn how to blend the paint, learning how to, yeah, really blend the paint and get those soft transitions. Like that's really dope. I'm really enjoying doing that. So right now, Cheryl's class is my favorite class, and she's my favorite instructor. Kai's class, super cool class. I really like the way Kai teaches. He has a vibe, and he does this little thing where he goes like when he's showing you a plumb line, he'll do like, and it just clicks. I don't know what it is, but I like that. It works. I didn't care for that style of painting. Like I've always admired paintings, and like the real loose style, I didn't really care for it until I took Kai's class. And so I have a huge appreciation for that style and actually enjoy doing it, even though I don't want to paint necessarily in that style. But yeah, I really enjoyed taking Kai's class. I took his class for a couple months and I learned a lot. I had a lot of breakthroughs in Kai's class. So it was super beneficial to portraiture for me. If you don't know much about art and you're wanting to learn art, I highly advise coming to Kline, or just getting educated in general. I wish I would have done this so much sooner because yeah, I'm just having so many aha moments, so many breakthroughs in art. But what advice do I have to new students? Don't forget your paper towels, I guess. See, with me, I jumped right into Matt and Kai's class, and I think those felt a little bit more advanced. Then I took Judy's class later, and then I'm in Cheryl's class now. So I kind of feel like I did it backwards. I probably should have took those classes first. And so I think mapping out your classes makes sense.